In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable reading mode on Google Chrome. So first of all, launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I've already opened it. Now go to the website in which you have the reading material. So if you want to enable the reading mode, for that tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for more tools. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find various options like name window, customize Chrome, reading mode, performance, task manager and developer tools. Simply click on this option reading mode that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here reading mode will be enabled. Now you'll be able to see the text over here. You can also click on this play icon if you would like to play this.
The Cassini Jiangchu, MSV.
You can see over here, if you do that, it will read it out for you. So like this, you'll be able to enable the reading mode. So that is how you enable reading mode on Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.